Welcome to my e-learning tutorial on mastering computer systems in pharmacovigilance. This course will teach you all about computer systems from business capability, technology, data flow, and from pharmacovigilance perspective. The next section will guide you through a few critical decision-making process. You will get to know when to build and when to buy a system, to deploy on-premise or on cloud, and similar concepts. The heart of the entire tutorial, that is the system development, documentation and validation process, will be the key in this section. Last but not the least, we will understand about computer system operations and maintenance from pharmacovigilance perspective so that we can maximize drug safety. So what are you waiting for? Join me today on Udemy. The link is in the description. Thank you.